Welcome to Study Hub YouTube channel. Today we discuss about second week current affairs 2023. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. What position did Neeraj Chopra get in the javelin throw event of Doha Diamond League 2023? Answer is option A, first or top. Option A, correct answer. Tokyo Olympics 2020 gold medal javelin throw. First Indian to win a silver medal World Athletics Championships. Arjuna Award in 2018, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award in 2021, Padma Shri Award in 2022, Parama Vishishta Seva Medal in 2022. Next question. Which bank launches program Vishesh to onboard 1 lakh customers? Vishesh to onboard 1 lakh customers. Answer is option B, HDFC Bank. Option B, correct answer. HDFC Bank, founded year August 1994, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Current chairman Atanu Chakraborty, current CEO Shashidhar Jagadishan. Next question. Which state is hosting the third edition of Khelo India University Games? Khelo India University Game. Answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, correct answer. Khelo India University Games, headquarters New Delhi, 2020 held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, first edition, 2022 held in Bangalore, Karnataka, second edition, third edition, 2023 held in Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Uttar Pradesh state capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. Current governor is Anandibin Patel. Indian classical dance originated from Uttar Pradesh. Kathak. Allahabad High Court was established 1869. Gateway of Uttar Pradesh is Ghaziabad. Gateway of Uttar Pradesh. Largest district of Uttar Pradesh by population is Agra. Next question. As per the National Manufacturing Innovation Survey, which state is the most innovative in manufacturing sector? Answer is option C, Karnataka state. Option C, correct answer. Karnataka state capital is Bengaluru. Governor is Tawar Chand Gehlot. Largest district of Karnataka is Belagavi area wise. First president of Kannada Sahitya Parishad H.V. Nanjundaya. First Kannada Sahitya Sammelana was held 1915. Founder of Bijapura state Yusuf Adil Shah. Karnataka Rajyotsava every year 1st November. Founder of the Rashtrakuta Empire is Danti Durga. It is related to Karnataka state. Next question. In which country was the Asia Cup Stage 2 Archery World Ranking Tournament held? Answer is option C, Uzbekistan. Important, Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan capital is Tashkent. Currency is Uzbekistani Som. Next question. In which country did NTPC make its first overseas capacity addition? Answer is option C, Bangladesh. NTPC full form National Thermal Power Corporation or NTPC, founded year 7 November 1975, headquarters New Delhi, chairman and MD Gurdeep Singh. Next question. Which country launched Mission Scan C 2023 summit? Answer is option A, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Important summit in 2023 form Missionary Technology Summit in New Delhi, Digital Health Summit 2023 Goa, Presidency of the G20 Gujarat, 23rd Commonwealth Law Conference Goa, 5th Asian Indian Business Summit Kuala Lumpur, capital of Malaysia, 12th World Hindi Conference Nadi Fiji, B20 Conference Manipur. Next question. Where was the foundation stone for the Coast Guard Ekta Harbour led by the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Answer is option A, Maldives. Option A, correct answer. Capital is Male. Currency is Maldivian Rufiya. President is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. Who won men's singles title at Madrid Open 2023? Answer is option B, Carlos Alcaraz. Option B, correct answer. Where has the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the India's first Indian Air Force Heritage Centre? Indian Air Force Heritage Centre. Answer is option D, Chandigarh. Option D, correct answer. Chandigarh Union Territories. Chandigarh Administrator Shri Banwari Lal Purohit. Chandigarh was declared as Union Territory in 1966. Next question. Wakefit Innovations Private Limited has signed which actor it is brand ambassador? Answer is option D, Ayushmann Khurrana. Option D, correct answer. Brand ambassadors Alia Bhatt, Uber Eats and Nokia. Amir Khan, PhonePe and Samsung. Murali Karthik, Fantasy 11. Salman Khan, Pepsi and Bharat Pay. Anil Kapoor, Malabar Gold. Important. In which weight category did Bindya Devi compete and win silver in the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2023? Answer is option A, 55 kg. Option A, correct answer. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Vodafone Group? Answer is option C, Margarita Della Valle. Vodafone Group founded year September 16, 1991. Who has been appointed by Accenture as Country Managing Director in India? Answer is option A, Ajay Vijay. Option A, correct answer. Lithium reserves have been found in which other state after Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is option B, Rajasthan. Option B, correct answer. Lithium is a chemical element with a symbol of Li. Li means lithium. Atomic number is 3. It is a soft, silvery white alkali metal. Next question. Border Roads Organization or BRO celebrated its Dashed Rising Day on May 7, 2023. Answer is option B, 64th. BRO, it means Border Road Organization, founded year 7 May 1960, headquarters New Delhi, Director General or DG Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary. Next question. Who has been elected the Executive Committee member of the Asian Football Confederation or AFC? Answer is option A, Saji Prabhakaran. Option A, correct answer. AFC or Asian Football Confederation, founded year 1956. Founded year. Which medal was won by India's weightlifter Bindya Devi in the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2023? Answer is option B, silver. Option B, correct answer. Red Cross Day and Thalassemia Day are observed on which day? Answer is option A, 8 May. Option A, correct answer. International Committee of the Red Cross, formation year 17 February 1863, headquarters Geneva, Switzerland, Director General Robert Mardini. In which state Mission Parivartan has been launched recently? Answer is option C, Bihar. Option C, correct answer. Launched Deputy Chief Minister Tejaswini Yadav. Bihar State Capital Patna. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Total number of districts in Bihar 38. Bihar Divas 22nd March. Which organization has recently started a program called START? Answer is option A, ISRO. Option A, correct answer. The program called Space, Science and Technology Awareness Training. The Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO formation year 15 August 1969. Chairman Shri S. Somanath. In which district will the first Pharma Park of Uttar Pradesh be established? Answer is option D, Lalitpur. Option D, correct answer. Uttar Pradesh State Capital Lucknow, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandibin Patel. Indian classical dance originated from Uttar Pradesh is Kathak. Allahabad High Court was established 1869. Gateway of Uttar Pradesh is Ghaziabad. Largest district of Uttar Pradesh by population is Agram. Where was the exercise Buland Bharat organized by the Indian Army? Answer is option B, China border. Chief of Defence Staff or CDS Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. First CDS of India is Bipin Rawat. Chief of Army Staff is Manoj Pandey. Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Chief of the Navy Vice Admiral R. Harikumar. Next question. Famous literature Samaresh Majumdar passed away. He was related to which state? Answer is option C, West Bengal. Option C, correct answer. The Chief Minister of which state has been honored with the 30th Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award? Answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option A, correct answer. Establishment 1992, prize money 10 lakh. List of previous winners: Harshali Malhotra 2022, Richa Chada 2020, Prakash Ambedkar 2018, Mayawati 2017, P.S. Krishnan 2016. Next question. In which state Operation Maryada has been started? Answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Operation Maryada is being carried out by the Uttarakhand police against those who spread dirt at religious places, hooliganism and consume drugs. Next question. Uttarakhand state capital is Dehradun. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, Governor Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, Indian Military Academy located in Dehradun. Oldest national park in Uttarakhand is Jim Corbett National Park. Highest peak in Uttarakhand is Nanda Devi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Manipur State? Answer is option B, Dr. Vinit Joshi. Option B, correct answer. Manipur State capital is Imphal. Governor is Anusuya Uike. Important points: Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE, formation year 1929, July 2. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairperson Nidhi Chibbar. In which country was the Uboli festival organized? Answer is option D, Nepal. Uboli festival. Option D, correct answer. Sakela dance is performed during the festival. Nepal country capital is Kathmandu. Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal. President is Ramchandra Paudel. Next question. With whom is Project Sanjay related? Answer is option B, Indian Army. Option B, correct answer. International Day of Organia is celebrated on which day? Answer is option D, May 10. Who won the Miami Grand Prix 2023? Answer is option C, Max Verstappen. Option C, correct answer. This year, he also won Australian Grand Prix 2023. Who has been elected as the next president of the Marylebone Cricket Club or MCC? Answer is option C, Mark Nicholas. Option C, correct answer. Which company has collaborated with Microsoft to introduce voice assisted booking in Indian languages? Answer is option D, Make My Trip. Option D, correct answer. About Microsoft headquarters, Washington, US, CEO Satya Nadella, Vice Chairman and President Brad Smith. Next question. Lionel Messi wins Lawrence Sportsman of the Year 2023 award. He is from which country? Answer is option C, Argentina. Option C, correct answer. Argentina country, capital Buenos Aires, currency Argentine peso. Next question. Which state becomes first state to launch robotics policy framework? Answer is option A, Telangana state. Option A, correct answer. Fakhar Zaman has been named ICC Men's Player of the Month for April 2023. He is from which country? Answer is option A, Pakistan. Option A, correct answer. ICC Men's Player of the Month 2023, January month Shubman Gill, February month Harry Brook, March Shakib Al Hassan. Shubman Gill, Harry Brook and Shakib Al Hassan. Next question. National Technology Day was observed on which day? Answer is option D, May 11. National Technology Day. Atal Bihari Vajpayee started National Technology Day Pokhran 2 test 11th and 30th May 1998. Who took over as the new chairman of the Kolkata port, now known as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port? Answer is option B, Ratendra Raman. Option B, correct answer. Former All India Football Federation Vice President A.R. Khalil passed away. It was founded in which year? It means AIFF. All India Football Federation. Answer is option C, 23 June 1937. Option C, correct answer. Founded year 23 June 1937. Headquarters New Delhi. Current President Kalyan Chaubey. Vice President Nalapad Ahmad Aris. Which country will host the 6th Indian Ocean Conference? IOC. Indian Ocean Conference. Answer is option A, Bangladesh. Option A, correct answer. The first edition of the conference was held in Singapore in 2016. Singapore 2016. Indian Ocean Conference, formation year 1996, headquarters Istanbul, Turkey. Secretary General Isiaka Abdul Qadir Imam from Nigeria. Next question. In which state is the Palak Lake Wetland Conservation Area located? Answer is option A, Mizoram. Option A, correct answer. Palak Lake is the largest lake in Mizoram. The locals call it Palatipam. It was declared a wetland conservation area in the year 2022. Monlam Chenmo festival is associated with which state? Answer is option A, Ladakh. Option A, correct answer. Held in Leh, Ladakh. Other festival of Ladakh: Losar Festival, Hemis Statue, Sindhu Darshan Festival, Ladakh Harvest Festival, Shaka Dawa Festival. Hemis National Park is the largest national park of India. Next question. Ayushman Assam scheme has been started by which state government? Answer is option B, Assam. Ayushman Assam. Under Ayushman Assam, cashless treatment facilities of rupees 5 lakh per year will be provided for 26 lakh families. Assam state capital is Dispur. Chief Minister is Himanta Biswa Sharma. Governor Jagadish Mukhi. Next question. Which became the first state in India to implement right to walk? Answer is option D, Punjab. Option D, correct answer. India's first Ford taxi will be run in which state? Answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option A, correct answer. This taxi service will be run between Noida Airport and Film City. Cost is rupees 862 crore. Portion B, Padi B program has been started by which ministry? Answer is option D, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option D, correct answer. Cabinet Minister Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of State Mahendra Munjapara. Next question. Who has written the book 8 Years of Modi Sarakar, a compilation of achievements? Answer is option D, Sandeep Marwa. Option D, correct answer. Abhay K, the book of Bihari literature. K. M. Chandrasekhar has good as my word. Dr. M. A. Hassan, War and Women. Who released the Regional Economic Outlook report recently? Answer is option C, International Monetary Fund or IMF. Option C, correct answer. IMF, International Monetary Fund, formation year 1944, headquarters Washington DC, US, managing director Kristalina Georgieva, first deputy managing director Geeta Gopinath, first deputy managing director. Next question. Who has been awarded the Pulitzer Prize 2023 for international reporting? Answer is option A, the New York Times. Option A, correct answer. Pulitzer Prize, first presented 1917, field excellence in newspaper journalism. Next question. Where is the India Jewellery Exhibition 2023 being organized? Answer is option A, Dubai. Option A, correct answer. Gems and Jewellery Export Promotion Council, established year 1966, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, chairman Colin Shah. Where was the Buddha Sharanam Gacchami exhibition inaugurated recently? Answer is option A, New Delhi. Multi-purpose Gajapati irrigation project is related to which state? Very important question. Answer is option D, Odisha state. Option D, correct answer. Other project of Odisha state is Subarna Rekha project, Lower Indramegha irrigation project, Anandpur barrage canal irrigation project. Current CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.